Welcome back. Today we're making lamb ravioli. I love lamb. Okay, let's get started. To make ravioli, we need pasta sheets, and for that we need the mixer, some dough, and a little bit of flour. Divide our dough into 4 parts. Now we just need to roll them and put a bit of flour on it, so when it goes through the mixer, it can come out more easily. Alright, Hector, let's begin. Okay. First we want to put a bit of flour. This one has a bunch of it. Whoa. Now that we've flattened our dough, we just need to turn on the pasta mixer to speed 4. Hector, please turn it on. Alright, let's put it in like the linguine. You go first. Man, this one is over. Okay, that's super thin immediately. Okay, my turn to be thinner than linguine already. Hold on, we got a bubble. Oh, that's thin. Wait, which one is? Oh, yeah, just a flour on my nose. Oh my! How thin is this? Oh no, I gotta put this over here. I did good. Man. Oh, I think we can sprinkle just a little bit of flour. Whoa, how thin is this? Alright, we need to put the dough in the mixer again, except we're going to roll it in 3. Alright, Hector, let's do it. What is adding the flour? That's pretty important. Okay, so amazing. You have to do at least 2 times for each. Oh yeah, gotta do it 2 times. I can't tell which one is even better. Watch it go. Hey, look, I made bunny ears. Ooh, cool. This is so big and so thin. Yeah. Do you think this is the world record? Yeah. Okay. Because it's pretty long and pretty thin. Yeah. Alright, now we need to make our lamb ravioli by using this. So we already have some cooked, chopped up lamb. So now we're going to take some mixture with a spoon and then fill in these pockets. So now that we filled the pockets, we just gotta cover it with another sheet of pasta. Now we just roll it. Now we're ready to cook. Alright, so to make the sauce we need garlic, some Parmesan cheese,
Okay.
and
Don't do it.
onions, and butter, and parsley, and fresh
Wait.
So now that our butter has melted and browned a little bit, we just need to add our ingredients. Now that our onions are brown, we have to add the garlic.
So smell.
Now we need to add the Parmesan cheese to make the sauce thicker.
Okay, let's go.
Now let's add the ravioli to the boiling water. Now we're going to cook the ravioli for 5 to 10 minutes.
Molly.
Now that we've transferred all of our ravioli to the sauce, we just need to add a couple spices. I'm going to add the pepper.
Now I'm going to add a pinch of paprika. On this gentle way.
Yeah, it smells delicious, but you can never have too much Parmesan cheese. And a little bit of fresh parsley.
Okay.
Alright, now Hector, let's take a bite.
Okay.
That's good. Bye guys, see you soon.
Bye.